Hi friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show a special DP concept photo editing tutorial. Now open Picsart, tap on this plus icon and scroll down and you have to go to pick canvas. And as usually select 1:1 ratio white background, tap on this pink arrow and arrange your like this background like this. Now tap on this and go to edit image. Now what you have to do is you have to directly add one PNG. I will give your PNG link in the description. Go to add photo and select the PNG. Friends, this is the PNG I am going to use now. Now simply zoom in like this. Okay, zoom in like this and arrange perfectly in this position. Perfect. Now tap on take. Now what you have to do is you have to add your model image. Remember friends, whenever you are editing this photo editing tutorial, cut your model image background. Okay, I already did because it will take so much of time. Go to stickers, go to my stickers, go to cutout and add your model image. This is the model image I am going to use now. Now decrease the opacity and arrange your model image perfectly in this position like this. Okay, arrange like this. Now by using this eraser, keep like this. Now erase this unwanted parts. Okay, erase this unwanted parts like this. Okay, now by using this brush again you can fill these portions like this. Friends, it is simple and easy DP photo editing, a new concept friends. I only created every PNG. Okay, you can happily download. Okay, if you are still watching my video, please consider like friends. Okay, like the video and subscribe to our channel and tap on this bell icon. Done friends. Now increase the opacity and it is perfect. Okay, you can see it is perfect. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to go to tools, go to adjust, increase a little clarity, okay, and a little highlights, decrease a little shadow, okay, and decrease a little contrast. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to add the lightning PNGs. Okay, go to add photo and select the lightning PNGs one by one. First of all I am going to add the red PNG. Now go to blend and make it multiple. Okay, and arrange in this portion like this. Now by using this eraser you can erase this unwanted parts. Okay, I am giving this lightning PNGs for the attraction purpose. Okay, now tap on tick. Now add the another PNG. Okay, it is very beautiful photo editing tutorial friends. I hope you all like this. Please like the video so it will be get boost and more people can watch and learn the tutorial. Now by using this eraser you have to erase and fill the unwanted parts. Okay, it is perfect. Now tap on it. Now what you have to do is you have to add one more PNGs, a text PNGs. I only created this PNG. I will give the link. Okay, friends, this is the PNG I created. Now simply zoom in like this simply and you have to go to blend and you have to make it multiple. Okay, make it multiple and zoom a little bit. Now it is perfect. Okay, perfectly you can add like this. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to save this image in the Picsart application and you have to jump into the Snapseed application. See you there. Now save this image. Friends, now we are in Snapseed application. Now directly go to pencil and you have to go to text and here I am going to write heartbroken. You can write your name also. Okay, it is your wish. You can write your name if you want and perfectly add in this position for the attraction purpose. It will give a nice look for the editing. Now tap on take. In this position you can write your name. Now go to pencil, go to tune image, increase a little brightness, decrease a little contrast, give a little saturation and ambience a little bit and highlights a little bit and decrease a little shadow and warmth no need. Done. Okay, now tap on tick and go to details, increase the structure a little bit, sharpening a little bit. Now done. Friends, this is the end of the video. Friends, you can see how amazing and beautiful it is and you can also edit this type of photo editing tutorial. Simply follow my video and download the PNGs, everything I will give link in the description and you can also enjoy this type of photo editing tutorials. Friends, if you are still watching my video, please consider like, subscribe friends. Okay, and tap on the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video you will get the notification. Now save this image and this is the end of the photo editing tutorial. See you in new video with new content.